Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Good afternoon. We have a spectacular news for all of you. Tomorrow is
my birthday!
We are getting the best gift that anybody can get.
It's a hint actually. It actually starts with a D.
It lives for
16 years.
Whoa. It is a
Dog!
Nadia has named the dog. Super cool. Nadia, what's the name?
Charlie.
Chaplin.
It's actually, the breed is a beagle, as you know. Wait, do you know? I don't know.
After lunch, we are gonna head out to the pet store and we're gonna start buying things.
Let me show you the list. We need a dog bed, dog food, toys, a leash, so we could go for walks, clothes, so we could dress him up.
Hello everybody, I just got a call saying that the dog is going to arrive at 8 p.m. this evening. I'm thinking it's going to be really tough because of course he's like 45 days old and he's going to be really missing his siblings, I guess, I'm assuming, and so he's going to be barking all night and I don't know how to handle that. You know, I always had a dog growing up, but that was because my mom handled it. She took care of it and now I have become that mom. We are in my restroom and now I am going to color my own roots. I'm gonna make my hair look nice for the dog. I'm kidding. I'm gonna look nice for the birthday. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. So I am doing my own roots. I've been doing this for ever now. I think it's so much easier to maintain than when you go out. So twice in a year I would do highlights from outside. The rest I would just like color the roots myself. Within an hour I will have to get my hair done. I have to get ready. Then Vicky will meet me at the pet store. I have blow dried half of my hair and I learned this amazing technique from the salon that I go to. He's a hairstylist and he taught me to make this really voluminous. You've got to like pull it straight up and then from up you go down. Like you can't go from here. You have to go from top to bottom, and then I kind of style my hair. Okay guys, so basically I am going to heat up some food. I have some leftover lentils and I'm so hungry and I have to wait for Vicky to be ready. He's still at the office, so I'm gonna eat something because this is almost 6 by the time we get the things and come back. This is how it's looking. So good. These are some crumbs, some cheese, some bacon. It came with the salad. Just dressed with these cheese, crumbs, my favorite part, tuna. So good. Looking right towards the mattress place. It's so cute, so cozy. It looks so cozy. She's showing you the haul right now, and we're taking this bag. Ooh.
A tug of war thingy.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting McDonald's a drive-through because it's super late and excited for the dog.
Yeah.
When is the dog coming?
Tomorrow. And we're gonna show you everything when we reach our house. Bye. Bye. And we'll see you.
Dude. Good dude.เจ้าคนนี้เป็นยังไงครับพี่กาโอเคนะขับกลับมาไกลไหมไกล
Someone didn't let us sleep all night.
Good morning, everybody. The night was rough, and I have to update you. But right now, I have to kind of go down. I'm a dog parent now, apparently after 10 years, and I'm gonna go do that. Nani. Charlie and Nani. Charlie. Hi, cutie.
And you carry me to Nana. Hi.
Dad is decorating. Happy birthday for Nadia. Cute. And then Vicky fixing this. Hi, Charlie. You're so cute and you peed already. Hello. We are here to introduce you to a little member His name is Charlie. Charlie. This is Nani. Nani loves dogs. Growing up, I've always had dogs, and she was the one who took care of everything, and now it's me, right, Mom?
Yeah.
I have to take care of it. Wait, shit! He was biting the mic all along. Mom, you want to hold him? He's so cute. Ah, there, Nadia is here. Nadia, are you excited?
One hand here and one hand on the bottom.
Nani is teaching Nadia how to hold the puppy. The color of this plant is so pretty. It's just starting to grow. Look at the colors. Yellow, orange, pink, white. Mom, white. Oh my god. I'm in the kitchen now. Nadia wanted a homemade cake. I prepared this cake, I think, like about 2 days back. I already made the batter. I'm gonna just sprinkle it with cashews and M&Ms and then pop it in the oven. Here, this is the brownie batter. This looks so cute. Oh my god. These are the cashews. And there we go. We're gonna pop this into the oven. This looks wonderful. This is goodness. The house smells delicious. I mean, this with a mixture of dog's poop and dog's pee. No, I'm kidding. Charlie, this is Nadia's birthday cake. It's all for you, but we want to tell you that we are so glad that you are in our home.
This is a dog.
This is a dog. It's not just a dog, it's a dog.
Can I get him? I feel like he's safe.
Oh, okay.
He didn't eat any chocolate.
He will not eat. He will not eat. I promise not to give him the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, darling. Ooh, 9 years old.
9. I'm 6.
You're 6 or 9? Having coffee with mama. Having coffee with mama.